10,000 years ago, our ancestors had an entirely different way of life. Now, thanks to the latest scientific advancements, we are able to unravel the secrets they left behind. This is Aşıklıhöyük, a Neolithic settlement. Since 1989, plenty of skeletal remains that belong to the people that used to live here have been excavated. We use these skeletal remains in order to extract the molecule of life, which is DNA. In other words, ancient DNA.
And ancient DNA can tell us about the past life phase,
Evolutionary processes,
and the demographic history of the ancients. However, extracting DNA from ancient bones is a non-trivial task. It requires extremely clean lab conditions since contamination can be an issue.
That's why we work in special suites like this and have a special laboratory just for ancient DNA experiments.
Afterwards, the DNA that we extract are sequenced in special machines, which give us an output that can be analyzed by computers. Computational analysis of ancient DNA data is highly challenging too. Since the DNA accumulates damage over the years, it is not the same as working with modern DNA. It is hard to get reliable results, and it usually takes long to do so.
One of the most interesting things that we can learn from ancient DNA is the past familial relationships. Let's think of this burial in an ancient settlement. Who are they? Why are they buried like this? If we can reconstruct these people's pedigrees, we can have a better shot at answering those questions.
In order to generate past pedigrees, we use a couple of statistics, one of which is called Cutterman coefficient.
It calculates the proportion of the individual's DNA that are identical by descent. But what do we mean by that? Take this individual, for example. They give half of their DNA to their offspring. Now, take these full siblings. They both have the red part of their second parent's DNA. This means that the red part is identical by descent in the siblings.
The proportion of DNA that are identical by descent has specific values for each relationship type. Therefore, by looking at these values, we predict pedigrees and try to answer related questions accordingly.